Hi, this tutorial will show you how to load an image with a background image behind it in processing. When you open up processing, you will see an empty sketch screen. We will begin by saving this screen as example 1. I'm going to save this to my desktop and call it example 1. You notice that once we saved it, a folder appeared on the screen called example 1 as well. We're going to open this folder and add a new folder inside of here. This folder will be called data, and here we will place the images we want to use in our program. I've already downloaded 2 sample images, one of a golf ball, and then the other one will be the background, which is a grass image. I'll just copy these into our data folder. We can close these windows and move on to processing. First, we will begin by declaring the 2 images using the pimage data type. So we need pimage grass and also pimage ball. Next, we will use 2 empty methods. These methods will be the setup method and also the draw method. In the setup method, we will actually create the size of the window and load the images that we need. So for the size of this program, we're going to use an 800 by 600 pixel window. Next, we will load the images. Let's start with the grass. Grass will equal load image, and within the parentheses, we will type the name of the image that we saved it to in the data folder. So we call this grass.png. For the ball, we will do the same thing. So ball equals load image golf ball.png. And that is all for the setup method. Next, we will move on to the draw method. Here we will actually draw the images that we have loaded. So we'll begin drawing the grass. We start with the image function. The image function takes 5 parameters. The first being the image name. So in this case it would be grass. Next, we will use the X and Y coordinates of where we want to place the image. We want this image to start at the upper left corner and spread across the whole screen. So the upper corner has coordinates of 0, 0. The final 2 parameters is the size of the image, the length and the width. So like I said before, we want it to take up the entire screen. So it will be 800 pixels by 600 pixels. We will do the same thing for the ball. So image, ball. We can place the ball wherever we want on the screen. I'm going to pick the values 300 and 300. So that's 300 in the X direction and 300 on the Y coordinate axis. And for the length and the width, we're just going to make it 100 by 100. That is all the code we need to draw our images. So we'll save it. And then we'll actually display the program by running it by clicking on this triangle here. And you see the grass with the ball in the foreground, and its location is approximately 300 on the coordinate axis. And now you've learned how to load an image with a background image in processing.